Hi, this is Sergio from indie developer The Imaginarium, and this is Enola Alpha.1. For those who don't know, Enola is a horror adventure game about serial killings. You're this unnamed character, maybe a person you don't know, on this lonely island, and you have to visit all these different locations, solve puzzles, and find clues about who the killer is, what this place is, and maybe even who you are. It's based on a game that I made for this past Ludum Dare 22. This first alpha has different changes from what you saw in the Ludum Dare game. First of all, the forest was replaced by this big island that you can explore. This island and everything else is obviously a work in progress. The house was replaced by the cabin. The cabin is one of the 5 main levels in Enola. The cabin has different rooms to explore, clues to find, and puzzles to solve. The items that you find on the island, such as this key, can be used in the cabin as well, so I'd encourage you to go through the cabin with and without these items. Since we haven't completely defined the visual style yet, I'm currently focusing on the gameplay side of things. The overall atmosphere you see is close to what I want for the final game, but assets, textures, and sound will be changing over time. Right now you get the story via text on the screen only. I've also added a few sound effects so the game is not completely silent, and spoken dialogue is on my wishlist. The cabin has a very subtle fog to make it feel eerie and somewhat nightmarish, but you can toggle it on and off via the console. I'd be very interested to know if you like the cabin with or without fog. Also, if you think the fog on the island should be more or less thick. Enola is still very early in development, so some things aren't working very smooth yet. For example, you have to stand close enough to doors and buttons to activate them. You can gain access to this and all future alphas and support the making of Enola by making a donation on my Kickstarter thing. Those who donate get special items like the game soundtrack, a making of DVD, and the full source code of the game. Obviously, you'll also get the full game when it's finished. Thanks for watching and see you on the next update.